This Jumbo GearBox stands 6 feet tall and delivers 3 full-width shelves, providing flexible storage solutions. The locking tread plate doors offer security. Adjustable leveler legs allow the Jumbo GearBox to rest securely even on uneven floors. It can also hang on Gladiator wall systems using the included wall bracket kit. Assembly required. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Store lots of gear. The Gladiator ready-to-assemble Jumbo GearBox stands at 6 feet tall and 2 feet deep to easily hold your larger household items. This extra deep cabinet comes equipped with 3 full-width shelves that provide exceptional space for everything from camping gear to sports equipment. Locking tread plate doors with large recessed handles ensure that power tools and sharp equipment are safely stored. Number 2. Wall bracket kit included. Use the included wall bracket kit to move your cabinet off the floor and onto any of our Gladiator wall systems, sold separately. Items are easy to hang and reposition and help you free up floor space. Number 3. 1 fixed and 2 adjustable shelves. Number 4. Heavy-duty steel construction and hammered granite powder coat finish. Number 5. Locking tread plate doors with large recessed handles. Number 6. Rated load 300 pound per cabinet, 50 pound for each shelf. Number 7. 72 inches height by 36 inches wide by 24 inches deep. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can this be put on wheels like some of the other cabinets? Answer: no, this cabinet is not compatible with casters. This creates a tripping hazard. Question number 2. What is the height of the fixed shelf? Answer: the middle shelf is 36.5 inches from the bottom. I hope this information helps. Question number 3. Do I have to assemble the cabinet? Answer: yes, the Jumbo will require complete assembly. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.